So we have just arrived in the new year, and it's time for everyone to flood the gyms to get to work on their New Year's resolutions. For many of them, they may not even make it until the end of their first week, but not you. If you are watching this video, you have most likely agreed with yourself to stick to a training schedule and are ready to transform your body and your physique. Whether your aim is to get stronger, get more muscular, or lose weight, let's make sure you get to that end goal that you have in mind. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow tips that will ensure you get settled in the gym quickly and start making loads of progress, and hopefully get you looking unrecognizable by the end of the year. Firstly, you want to outline what you want to achieve from where you are right now. What are your goals? This goal that you have is going to affect how you train, how you eat, and so on. So you need to make that clear now. For example, if your goal is to gain as much muscle as possible and get looking the best, you will want to be working out 3 to 4 times a week at least and focusing on hitting all of your muscle groups. This should involve lifting weights that you struggle to get up at around 6 to 10 reps and eating in a caloric surplus with a high protein intake like shown here. Whereas if you want to lose as much weight as possible, you will probably want to work out around 4 to 5 times a week at least, and focus a lot more on cardio work, whilst focusing on eating more healthily alongside your proteins in a caloric deficit. But if you're solely training for strength, you will most likely want to lift in a rep range of around 1 to 4. So you are really testing out your limits and trying to lift the heaviest amount of weights as you can. When it comes to your muscles and working them effectively, a great way to ensure this is a workout split. One that I'd advise many people to get on board with is a push-pull leg split. This is where you hit all of your push muscles on the same day, so triceps, chest and shoulders. And then on your pull day, you hit biceps and back. And then after that, you do your leg day. This workout split is great as it ensures that you don't hit the same muscles within a day of each other and you give them time to recover. Also, when you are just starting the gym, make sure you put a certain amount of focus on compound exercises. They are very useful as they work out more than one body part, are great for building strength, and are a great basis to build up your physique. Just a quick message to say, if you want to see loads of content and tips, make sure you subscribe and stay updated. Back to the video. Secondly, before you even step into the gym, I'd advise that you download an app to track all your workouts in. Having a place to find all your PRs and what you did last session will make sure you're progressing every single time you enter that gym. It's also great for planning what you're going to do in your workouts within whatever workout split you have chosen. Because please don't go in without a plan and just jump to the closest machine that is free. Have a strategy so you know you're not going to fail. This point about having an app works hand in hand with our next point. Implement progressive overload. Make sure you are trying to up the weight, the reps or the sets every single session, even if it's just by 1 kilogram or 1 rep on an exercise, because as the weeks go by, that will increase more and more, and your progress will come flying in as your muscles adapt and build back stronger. Make sure you lock down your form and how to do these exercises though before you jump into this. Another tip that could help some of you newer gym goers is to start going with a friend. This can not only help anxiety in helping you feel more comfortable in the gym, but also help your performance too. You have someone to motivate you, someone to have healthy competition with, they can spot you to make sure you don't hurt yourself. As well as this, loads of people find it great for accountability too. Having someone else that counts on them to drag them to the gym and get them motivated when they would normally just stay in bed. But of course, don't ever rely on someone else being your main source of motivation. And you need to be able to motivate yourself and have the dedication to still go to the gym even when you're not feeling up to it. Another thing you should remember from the start of your training is that results don't show straight away. It takes hard work and dedication to achieve a physique like this, and everyone is different when it comes to the amount of progress they will receive. You may find that your gym partner that started at exactly the same time as you and has done exactly the same exercises as you has more noticeable progress with their body than you do. Whether this is due to genetics or training age, don't even bother worrying about it. You just have to focus on yourself and trust the process. And trust me, you'll be looking in that mirror with a smile on your face very soon. Earlier in the video, I touched on many different goals that some of us may have, but what if you don't know which avenue to go down? If you consider yourself to be quite skinny but still have some body fat, should you focus on building muscle first or focus on cutting off that fat and start dieting? We'll find out in this video right here, and subscribe.